Stephanie with WTI here, and Arm & Hammer's Essentials deodorant has been really great throughout the summer and really the whole year. Let me tell you about it. Especially in the summer, I really like having a deodorant that I can depend on to not only work, but to not leave white smeary stuff on my dresses. That is yucky, and this one has been great for that. Also, the rosemary lavender is a really pleasant smell. It's a reputable brand, and I like that it values the quality of ingredients that it puts in. And it's also very transparent about it. Like, it literally lists every single thing that's in this deodorant and what it's there for, which I truly appreciate. So here's a test to make sure that it does not show up. It comes out clear. You don't see it. So if you're looking for something from a trusted brand that has ingredients that you can pronounce, go ahead and give this a try. But that's just my point of view.